This is the Google Slides Editor home screen. While Google Drive shows you all your files of all types, the Slides home screen is just for your text documents. This is your document list. All your presentations will appear here, regardless of which folder in your drive they are stored. By default, your presentations are shown with large preview icons and are organized with the most recently edited presentations at the top. Single-clicking a presentation will open it in the editor in the same window. Right-clicking a presentation opens an action menu where you can rename the presentation, remove presentations for which you are the owner, or open the presentation in a new window. If you have enabled your Google Drive for offline access, this menu will also have the option to mark the file for offline access and editing. The action menu can also be opened by clicking on this button next to each presentation's title. You can switch between grid view and list view by clicking this button. Clicking on this button allows you to change the way your presentations are sorted. The banner at the top of the window is where you can create new presentations. You can create a blank presentation or choose from several templates. As you scroll down through the slide's homepage, a red button will appear in the lower right corner, which you can click to access the presentation creation bar. This button opens the file picker. The file picker allows you to browse your folders in Google Drive to find the specific file you want. Clicking the menu button here in the top left gives you easy access to the home screens for Google Docs, Sheets, and Drive, as well as settings for language and offline access. Now that you're familiar with the Slides Editor home screen, you're ready to begin editing.